everyone, welcome back to Bio Blinkers. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the NEET 2024. All of you must be having a lot of questions in your head regarding this exam. Every year, lack of students prepare for this exam, but only a limited number of students get qualified. And most of you preparing this exam along with your class 12th boards. And at some point of time, you all start feeling frustrated because of the vast syllabus, hectic schedule, exam pressure, and so on. So, to make your preparation easy, Bio Blinkers is up with some helpful tips and tricks. Tip number 1. Before you start reading any chapter, always analyze the previous year questions of that particular chapter. Let me take an example of photosynthesis in higher plants. Now, look at the questions which comes in the previous year from this chapter. This question came in NEET 2016, NEET 2017, NEET 2019, NEET 2020, and NEET 2022. From these questions, you can easily conclude that every topic related to C3 and C4 plants have high weightage. In almost every year, you are getting one question from this topic. On the basis of the previous year questions, you can easily calculate the weightage of every topic. Tip number 2. Make flowchart. Instead of writing paragraphs and filling your notebooks with a lot of notes, that does not make any sense. At the time of revision, it will become difficult for you to read all the notes. So always make flowchart. Tip number 3. Try to find out the keywords of the topic. Let me take the example of C3 and C4 plants again. I have written some of the keywords such as Cran's anatomy, photorespiration, rubisco, and so on. You can't remember everything as the NEET syllabus is too vast, but you can easily learn and remember the keywords. So focus more on keywords and read everything regarding that keyword. Tip number 4. Multiple revisions. We as humans has a habit of remembering things up to a certain limit. After some time, we start forgetting things. So, in order to save time, it is always recommended to do multiple revisions. Don't read too many books. Just restrict yourself to one book and revise it again and again. Tip number 5. Make mind map of every topic. Mind map basically summarizes all the content in just one frame. Here you can see the mind map of seed. In this mind map, you can see that all the important information and keyword has been covered. Tip number 6. Solve multiple questions. Once you complete the chapter, try to solve as many as questions to get more clarity about the topic. For solving questions, try to refer the books of different organizations and institutions so that a variety of questions can be covered. Tip number 7. Time management. Time is a very important factor when it comes to preparation. Try to give equal time to all the subjects. If you find that some topic is hard and consuming so much time, then check the weightage of that topic. If that topic has less weightage, then leave that topic and focus on other concept which has more weightage. Tip number 8. Remember diagram, especially in biology. This will help you for your board exam as well as for NEET. In NEET, sometimes you will find the direct questions are asked from the diagrams which is given in your books. Tip number 9. Give more priority to chapters which has more contribution in NEET from last 5 years. Prioritize your chapter. Tip number 10. After every 3 months, try to give mock exam. If you do this before the actual NEET exam, trust me, you will learn how to manage time in the exam hall, you will be able to handle the exam pressure, and it will give you a sense of confidence. An important message which I want to convey to all the NEET aspirants. Please be confident about your preparation, dedication and hard work. If you follow these steps, nobody can stop you from achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and all the very best for your NEET preparation.